Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Craving a hearty and flavorful meal that's perfect for any occasion? Look no further than chicken and bacon fried rice. This classic dish, packed with tender chicken, crispy bacon and a medley of vegetables, is a culinary masterpiece that will tenderize your taste buds. Today I'll be guiding you through the step-by-step process of making this delicious dish at home. From the aromatic base to a succulent chicken and the crispy bacon, I'll ensure you have everything you need to create a restaurant quality meal. Get ready to be amazed as we combine the perfect blend of flavors and textures. With the simple ingredients and little patience, you will be able to whip up this chicken and bacon fried rice in your own kitchen. So grab your aprons, gather all your ingredients, and now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 400 grams chicken breast cut in small cubes, add some salt to taste, add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half tablespoon dark soy sauce, and then give this a nice mix. And marinate this for about half an hour. Then in a hot pan add oil, add the marinated chicken and fry it until the chicken is nice and cooked. Fry it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure it is something like this, then leave it aside. Then in the same pan, add 300 grams bacon cut in small pieces and fry it until the bacon is cooked. Cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure it is something like this, then leave it aside to use it later. Then in the same pan, add oil, add 3 whole eggs, add a pinch of salt and fry it until the egg is hard scrambled. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 4 garlic cloves chopped, 2-inch ginger chopped, and fry it for few seconds. Then add 2 onion chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 2 carrots cut in cubes and fry it until the carrots are soft. Then add 2 bell peppers cut in small cubes, 1 cup green peas frozen, 1/4 cup spring onion white, and fry it until the bell peppers are nice and soft. Then add some salt to taste, add half teaspoon crushed black pepper, 2 stock cubes, and fry this for about 2 minutes. Then add 1 large bowl of white basmati rice cooked and fry the rice for about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure to add about 3 tablespoon oil. Then add half tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup, and 1 tablespoon kimchi sauce, and fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the fried chicken, bacon and egg, add some spring onion green, add 1 stock cube, and fry this for about 2 minutes. And there you have it guys, a mouth-watering chicken and bacon fried rice. The perfect combination of tender chicken, crispy bacon and flavorful rice. Every bite is a symphony of flavors and I guarantee it will leave you wanting more. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just starting out, this recipe is a must try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking. Bye.